In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in text in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create bold text filled with a photo, a texture, or a scenic image, Canva makes it much easier than most people expect. This is a great effect for marketing graphics, travel posters, thumbnails, and social media posts because it instantly gives your design a more polished and eye-catching look. The key thing to know is that this effect does not work with regular typed text alone, so I'll show you the correct way to do it. First, open Canva and go into the design you want to edit. This could be a presentation slide, a social media post, or any other project where you want the image-filled text to appear. Once the design opens, make sure you're looking clearly at your canvas so you can place and arrange everything without disturbing the rest of your layout. Next, go over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. From there, scroll down until you find Frames, then click See All. This is where Canva keeps the shapes that can hold images inside them. Instead of choosing standard shapes like circles or squares, keep scrolling until you reach the section for letters and numbers. Now choose the letters you need to spell your word. As you click each one, Canva will place it onto your canvas. Add each character you need, then drag them into position so they sit neatly next to each other. Canva's alignment guides will help you keep everything level and evenly spaced, which is especially useful if you want the final word to look clean and professional. Once your letters are in place, go back to the left sidebar and click Uploads if you want to use your own image, or Photos if you want to use one from Canva's library. Find the image you want, then drag it directly onto the first letter. As soon as you place it over the frame, the image will snap inside the letter automatically. Repeat that same process for each of the remaining letters. If you want the image to look continuous across the whole word instead of appearing cropped differently in every letter, double-click inside the first letter. This lets you reposition and scale the image within the frame. Adjust it so the visible part matches the look you want. Then do the same for each letter, making the image size and placement consistent so the overall effect feels seamless across the entire word. Finally, take a moment to check the spacing and alignment of all your letters. When everything looks right, go to Share in the top right corner. Choose Download and select PNG for a crisp digital graphic, or PDF print if you're creating something for print. Then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.